Go we out for the call? Fucking pussies! Come on.
Go.
I got Trove. Dibs.
bet.
Yeah, we
My default mic? I think that is right. Hello, 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 hello. Oh shit. Hello, 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 hello. There we go. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. 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 Hello, hello, hello. Cool. Yeah, I think that's good. Sweet. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Cool. Yeah, I think that's good. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Oh man. Alright, yeah, that should be fine.
Boys.
The fuck? Look up some good uncopyright. What is the YouTube audio library? YouTube audio library. I think any music I play on this stream, regardless of what it is going to get me. Right? Like that. I think so, at least. Right? Like, definitely. Was it? I don't know what music. Everything says no copyright. Yeah, every single time I play any sort of music on this when live streaming, it just it's weird. It's weird, dude. It is. Let me just see if I can put this over here. There. Kind of annoying, but I really don't mind. It's not annoying, but I really don't mind this tiling system. The new tiling system. I mean, it's not like anything to write home about, but ooh, no copyright sounds. Is this just gonna be like mashed up techno music? I mean, I guess that's like the best I can do here. I like this kind of music. Yeah, I definitely don't like that. Dude, I feel like all non-copyright same. I want to just like say fuck it and listen to Nirvana. Sorry, I'm just logging into AWS. Oh, I could sing my own songs. Could do that. I could definitely do that. Dude, oh man, I want to play Valorant, but I don't. You know what I mean? I want to play Valorant, but I have so much shit to do. But I want to play it. But then Plastic's going to get mad at me. But I want to play it, dude. Oh, I want to play it. You see what they're doing. Oh, hold on. I don't think.
Oh, they got me. She had a great deep stun from deep. Like those three are
arrow.
yeah, those three are definitely on mics.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Nothing. No.
Hello.
Yep. He's playing some Valorant. You're playing
We're
League.
playing League. Yeah, there are a couple of freshies.
Dude, I swear I forget my Riot sign in. Like,
I got for Yonel. Good fight, guys. Good fight. There we go. Good shit. Fuck, Ash lived there. It sucks.
I killed the rift thingy.
um, dude, I always forget my password. Ooh, 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 ooh. There we go.
Got drunk off your love.
Oh man, I'm about to just start singing my own songs. Huh. All right, let's see what's going on. All right. I need to figure out a way. Can you guys hear this music? Top and the bottom color look different. Can't hear the music? Let's see here. I don't know what to put on because I don't want to get copyright struck. And like all the rest of the copyright or non-copyright music is like this shit. And I don't really like this kind of music. And also, it always turns out to actually be copyrighted. Like it just always does. Alright. It works. I need to add like open search queries for that, but let's like, let's see if this is all pushed up to amp. I don't know why this is telling me, asking me to get started. I really already have shit.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change.
Why is this being hosted?
And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a
No
single
bill cash found.
'cause you got me holding.
Votes. I need to watch this thing build real quick.
And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us.
That's so slow.
I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got
I assume you guys can hear the music now, though, right?
even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Did I practice your coding too? I don't do a lot of front end. Okay, you can hear it, cool. Let me know if the audio is weird. I just got a new mic arm and stuff like that, so I don't do a lot of like UI. Like I'll do front end, like wire shit up for myself, right? But I gotta do this. I'm building a marketing platform for my real estate company right now, and I probably should build this next, but I essentially need to store. I need to figure out like a database for storing posts. That's going to be able to crunch data in the way that I need it to, so it doesn't cost us a ton of money. Because it really shouldn't. Like it's just posts, right? Let me just push this real quick so I can watch this build. But yeah, I'm essentially just like trying to I have to build a marketing platform for our real estate company. Did I click off? Rerun that. Because we're like at the point where we have like it's like I think like our current user base is like maybe 6,000 or 7,000 users a month, so we need to begin to try to monetize what we're doing, right? Aside from like weekly market analytics, I need to build out this mapping function. Also, like this is all built in Webflow, and the fonts are really weird. So, but yeah, this is like based out of Denver. So yeah, I gotta start building the dashboard for it to pop back up though. Pretty rudimentary at the moment. A lot of the stuff that I've been doing is just like very back end focused stuff, but this should build now that I've committed. I think it's just on a different. Yeah, here we go. You can watch this build real quick. Yeah, you can watch the build steps here. It's pretty convenient. Yeah, I don't know what I'm thinking of doing with the stream this year. But I definitely want to stream like stuff that I want to stream, you know, like definitely want to stream shit that I'm interested in. But I also just want to like kind of unwind on the stream like later at night, you know. So I want to make content like twice a week, but then on the stream I want to do some side work done as well. Then I also like possibly want to incorporate games, but I always have such a hard time doing that. It's either like I game or I don't, you know. There's really like no in the middle. Trying to find like a happy medium there. Okay, I'm not sure what that happy means. Okay. So I need to close this shit. Data, apps, contact name. I can make this now, I think. I just need to stream you reading the the Berserk manga. Dude, I actually don't have my webcam set up right now because I just moved to my new house, but how many things do I have? Hold on. I have the deluxe. I have like the deluxe volumes, and I think I've three. Yeah, three. Yeah, I have 3. You'll watch that? How's the stream quality at the moment? Should I turn my mic down or anything, or are we chilling? I need to make a drop down for this. Let's see. Material UI drop down. I think this page should just be like... The way that it's set up right now is kind of a clusterfuck. It's like a fairly simple page. You just really have like... And then a drop down, that's about it. I click the deluxe, but I read it online. Took me 2 days to read up to chapter 200. I'll do you the link on Discord just so you have it. Oh, yo. What up, Matt? Are you talking about my brother-in-law, Matt? Your quality's good? Sweet. Music's a nice touch? Sweet. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I might play some Valorant later, but I'm not sure. That's all good with you guys. Also, I kind of like streaming without the webcam. I figured, man. Why is that your YouTube name? Dude, I gotta find that song again. What was that song? What song was sick? Oh, it's sick, dude. Can I look at it? That's pretty awesome. I guarantee that this content's gonna... I'll let you show me and do... There you are, I found you. Oh, nice, man. I have a book called The Lives of Eminent Philosophers. That seems to be a pretty good one. But I'm currently finishing up the Game of Thrones book and also reading Three Body Problem. I mean, you know I'm a nerd, but this is like one of my best. This is one of my favorite book series of all time, The Three Body Problem. That trilogy. Then it has like an epilogue at the end that like a fan wrote. But this is probably my favorite book series of all time. It's so sick, dude. It's such a good book. Okay, let me do this real quick before I get sidetracked. All right, let me do one thing. Yeah, it's pretty like science fiction-y, science heavy, with like a bit of realism, I guess. But like, I mean, the calculations and shit isn't real or aren't real, I don't think. But it's pretty sick, man. It's like, it's the book that got me into science fiction. Oh shit, nice. Oh. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna favorite this. Also, what is your Discord name? Man? That's fucking funny. I just keep switching between light and dark mode. It's crazy. Senpai Dark Wolf Ulu. All right, we gotta add. Let me just like pop this code snippet. I have to import. Gotta import. Probably input label. I don't. Oh. It's okay, man. You. I'm a almost 29-year-old man that loves Berserk. I was just handling chain. I'll probably play Valorant in like 20 minutes, but I just want to get for you. I probably have to restart my PC. Let's see what this looks like, and then I'm gonna screw around and change it a bit. Let me look at the source code for setting age. And then probably just act.use. Yeah. I don't give a shit about. It should be set up. Sweaty. Absolute. Let's see if this. There should be a drop down. They're like CSS associated. I don't even know who uses JavaScript in today's day and age with TypeScript around. I know there's. Dude, don't say that TypeScript is just a subset of JavaScript. I know it is. I don't know why you would just like completely miss out on the opportunity of types. So much better. Where? Oh shit. That's a really good goal though, man. You should definitely read Book of Week. I'll show you my goals real quick. One of them I'm gonna blank out for. Like that one. Hold on. Yeah, my goal this year is to read 26 books. Let me see the logs. Alright, don't worry, I'll. Go cache found. Found a page without a React component as default export. Oh, okay. Annoying. I can't just have like log. I put that. It's inside. I should ingest it. Where? Hold on. Move. Like, use it. Alright, that should. Now if I commit. The reason I'm committing right now is because every single time I have it set up with like CI/CD, so every single this build function will run completely linked to a repository. Yeah, it should just be building now, yeah. I wonder why it uses Python 3. So that's within the environment, okay. Is it automatically a Ruby environment? I'll have to look at that sooner or later. My mic cutting out or not? Right now, I think I need to make that functional. Take all this shit out. Go here. Let's go neighbor. Get drop down. Fucking. It works, right? That's loading a little. So essentially, what I need to do is we do create neighborhood fixture data. I need to build a storage system. Dude, I really don't want to use something this small. Yeah, I'm building a website for Naked Denver. Because I think our user base now is around 6,000 users a month. So we're trying, and we've gotten a lot of questions about like when we're going to be offering paid feature posts for like people to buy. Essentially, we're buying a feature. Pay like a subscription model and then get your post featured right here in the carousel. We only have a set amount every month, so like these would be the feature. So, sorry, that song was fucking. So yeah, these feature posts would be like on a subscription model. I essentially have to build the entire website. It's okay because this is just like a first draft essentially. Then I have to build the entire website over again, and then I have to build it to accept like credit card payments, and then like a user system so people can set up subscriptions themselves, so it's like self-service. And then I have to make it so we have a back end, so like Sarah and Shaq and them can build posts and stuff like that and write blogs. So it's a bit of work, but nothing too. But like, let me see if I can get a list of. Yeah, it's gonna be sweet, dude. Let me see if I can get a list of. This could be like in the network request, maybe. I don't want to copy. Yeah, because if you click a neighborhood, it goes into a description of it. So I need to keep that in mind. Does AWS have deep learning? Yeah. It does, yeah. Dude, AWS is the biggest data broker on the face of the earth. Like, they're definitely not. Like, they'll let you train models and stuff. There. But it's all super useful. Matt, when are you coming out again, man? Inspect this and see if I can't just get a list. Do this off screen real quick. Like, you can use SageMaker. I know we use that at work. It's pretty dope, but it can be expensive. Cool, man. What about Lily? Is she coming out here? Message. Sorry, I'm looking for something in my messages right now. Try to log into this. Please, do you have any recommendation for someone who wants to venture into programming at AWS? Yeah, do them. I mean, that sounds like a snobby answer, I think, but dude, if you wanna get into programming in AWS, then do exactly what I'm doing right now. Program and work with AWS. You know what I mean? But you gotta just program, man. I mean, it's that simple. There is no magic bullet. Like, you just have to get on and program. You gotta program every single day, man. You gotta program every day. Well, try to build stuff every day. I'll be putting out a video soon for building your first Lambda AWS CDK. I know I've done that before, but yeah, that's like, you just gotta program, man. You really just gotta program. I know it's tough, you know. Like, here's a task I can give you. Build your first AWS Lambda and just have it print "Hello World," and then change that AWS Lambda to query all the users within your environment. And if you don't have users or don't know how to make users, then Google how to make users in AWS. AWS. I need to start sounding those letters out. What language do I recommend? I recommend starting like you've never programmed before. Probably Python. Yeah, let's say Python. Okay, so let me set up a few things. Need some fixture data for, let's say, like for neighborhood fixture, and this needs to be like a array of separated values, and that needs to Python over HTML, Java, and CSS. I think those are like fundamentally different things. Well, obviously HTML, Java, and CSS are like fundamentally different aspects of programming. I would say like Java is obviously a back-end language. HTML is like a front-end, a way to build front-end websites, like lightweight front-end websites. And then CSS is styling. But like, yeah, I think Java's pretty outdated. I wouldn't say don't learn it. Like, if you have a use case for learning any language, then learn that language. You know what I mean? I'm not one of those people that is a charlatan for a specific language, but you should definitely pick the language for the job. But if your goal is to just learn a language, then you should definitely, in my opinion, I think Python's the easiest to read, and that helps you get over the initial hurdle of like, oh wow, this is scary. You know what I mean? So that's why I recommend it. But I use TypeScript probably the most. I learned Python first, TypeScript. So kind of like what I use. But it's like it's fundamentally different. Like if you're doing web development, then yeah, HTML, CSS, and Java would be fine. But I would definitely recommend in today's modern environment to use React or Vue. Either use a library or a framework like that. Obviously, Vue is a framework, React is a library. That's kind of like up for debate depending on who you talk to. But I don't think it makes any sense to roll your own CSS. Like for example, I've been coding for 7-8 years now, and I'm not rolling my own CSS with the website. I'm using a Material UI, right? So I don't have to build my own forms or boxes or whatever. I can just grab it and use it. To some people that might be like kind of cheating, but I mean, it's use the tools to your advantage, you know? You don't want to just build things from scratch. It's going to take forever, and there's not really a point to it. All right. I kind of just need to. Not getting. Let's say X cons. What's the neighborhood here? Sarabada, Aurora, Baker. But yeah, use the language that's best for the job, man. You know. If you have a use case for Java, use it. If you have a use case for C# doing game development, use it. You know, don't pigeonhole yourself into a language because the one on. People get stuck in their own opinions, right? So definitely figure it out yourself. For example, like one of the greatest programmers alive used Windows, and up until recently, I saw no reason to ever use Windows. Right, so like John Carmack always used Windows because he's a game developer. And he's probably one of the greatest programmers alive, and just use Windows, you know. Whereas some people, me included, would tell you like, you know, Linux is better for programming or whatever, and it really is because Windows is literally remaking. I don't know if you guys can see this. Can you see my terminal screen here or no? I don't know if you guys can see my terminal screen, but let me know if you can.
If I slip into the ocean, swallow me up in one motion, though. Seize my queen, I show devotion.
You need to make a. Okay, you guys can. All right, cool. I was wondering because I'm using like different words, but yeah, like Windows with WSL is perfectly fine, you know. But even Windows is admitting to you that Linux is great for development, right? Because they're making WSL. So like this is a Linux virtual environment within my Windows desktop system, and then my IDE or my text editor here pointing directly via WSL right to Ubuntu. So I mean, like, use what's good for the job, but also use what the people are telling you or the companies are telling you to use. Like Windows isn't really putting a ton of work into development. I mean, they may be putting work into it. Like they've kind of admitted to you by supporting WSL as hard as they have that Linux is proper for development. Unix is proper for development, right? So, you know, Mac runs on Unix, Linux runs on Unix, Windows doesn't. I mean, you can use Windows, but just make sure your environment works for you, and then go for it. You know, that's kind of what I've done because it's perfect for streaming, playing games, surfing the web, content creation stuff. So I kept using an Ubuntu computer, and then being like, oh man, I love Ubuntu, but it's just so limited in terms of like it not kind of setup that I need. All right, so I need this to say like neighborhoods. And I need. What does that mean? Width should be. Probably. Let's. Okay, this Berserk Online thing is dope. Where did my material UI screen? Box. Oh, okay. So I need to put a box around it. Eyes and roll, and then I can say width from within that box. That could be true. If you guys are cool, though, I'm gonna play Valorant in a bit. See, let's see, like S. I can't listen to this fucking music. What that looks like. The only thing is with like Windows that I wish wasn't true is can be a little slow. In terms of like compiling, not native, right? Only if I'm good. I'm played in a bit, but I'm okay. All right, so that's 100%. Wait, no, that's 50%. Yeah, 25%. Doesn't make sense. I'm gonna look. This box should. Is this like overriding when I'm passing it? I should be getting limited by profession path. Say like 50%. You guys are cool with it? Sweet. There we go. That's what I want. We need to center that. Let's center. Center that, and then I need to drop it down a little bit. Let's make sure that this remains true. Okay, cool. Goes short screen. This is good. Where the neighborhoods. Oh, it says some typography. In here. Adam Mark. That. Got some styling. How do I pass this? Yeah, that's what I want. Not the front.
Well, I woke up on the lobby floor. Yeah, last night was some kind of war. I'm coming down like a waterfall.
For the neighborhoods of Denver, 50%. So what's cool about like the using percentages instead of pixels, because like I could use 50 pixels too. I could, and it's different, right? But watch, we had like 300 pixels. I'll make it look nice. But like as the website scales, those pixels are it's hard to keep up. So like regardless of what kind of device I'm on, it'll be 50% of the width that I give it, right? So it's exactly what you want in styling. Even that might be a little too big, right? We could just give it. Let's keep it there, and then let's add a margin bottom. Is a little. Remove this age thing. Add neighborhoods. I don't like how this goes up. Then for the data, we want to pull in that. We want to pull in that. Sure. Hoods. Fill. Fixture. I don't like how that goes up there though. Change that stuff. And then to get the map, the value, I take this out, and then I can do hoods.map. Pass this. Then I can do menu item. And set a key here. Hood. Well, the hood should be unique, so that should be fine. And we can just pass neighborhood. Oh, there you go. Now you have your fixture data populated with neighborhoods. I want to get rid of this blue border. I don't know what that border should be though. Hood label.
Lost my mind. My friends all say I lost my mind, lost my mind. I keep talking about you. I lost my best friend to 23.
I think I left the non-copyrighted music. This should actually give us throwing red here. What's that just say? Oh, it disables the actual form. I would do that. Gotta be like a border color here or something. Yeah, I'll be right back. I go to the bathroom. One moment. Alright, I want to do one more thing before I restart my PC because Riot is telling me that it's all... Alright, let me see here. There's got to be a border or something. Yeah, there's gotta be a border somewhere. Oh, can I just change the color? I'm just gonna stop it there. Figure that out in a minute. Check. I'm gonna have to restart my PC. Okay, yeah, cool, we're deployed. So now we can look at this at the... Cool, I'm gonna have to restart my PC for the Riot anti-cheat, but don't go anywhere, I'll be back. I'll get back on. Okay, see you in a minute.